Alrighty everybody, so welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another cleaning video and we have a lot to get done. So Richard took Elizabeth outside. This is usually around the time I would take her and he would get stuff done. But because he's going to be hanging up picture frames for me this afternoon, I'm going to take her outside in the afternoon. So this way I can have some time to myself and get some things done. So we're going to start from the top, work our way from the bottom. There is stuff to put away on every level, so there's gonna be a lot of cleaning motivation. I've got my slippers on and my headphones on. If you know, those are like my two essentials. Also good comfy clothes, a water bottle. It's almost like you're working out, minus the running shoes. I mean, you could wear running shoes, but I just choose to wear slippers. So yeah, if you want to see an entire house clean with me, because everywhere needs something, then keep watching. Switch it up and then we're going to move downstairs. No, maybe this was grocery store, so you're gonna see the next footage with my phone. Richard is changing her poopy diaper and then putting her down for a nap. He is going to wash the dishes, and I don't think he's gonna film himself doing it. Maybe he will. I can leave him a note, but we are gonna take you guys with my iPhone, and we're gonna go to the grocery store. I also have to pick up some things with my parents, but I think this is just turning into like a day in my life. Like, I don't know, just cleaning. I don't know what I'm gonna call this yet, but yeah. Alrighty, it's just editing Ashley here, and you're probably wondering where the heck is this other video footage from my phone, and I decided not to put it in because it's literally me just talking and jibber jabbing. There's no B-roll footage, anything like that. I mean, who's gonna try to film in a grocery store during a pandemic like this? Not me. It is already like stressful enough as it is, and I literally just went to my parents' house, grabbed what I needed, and went back to the car. Like, there was no footage of that. It was just me talking, and it's pointless footage. So now we're gonna go back to the cleaning at home, and while I was gone, Richard was washing dishes, and he actually filmed for you guys. So I do have some footage of Richard washing the dishes, and I'm going to insert it. then I'm going to go out there and join them. But Richard's just showing her their plants, and as you can see, the next on our list is this photo gallery wall. We have enough of these, but I don't think we're going to have enough for around the corner. We'll have to pick 2 more up, but even if he just gets this is going to be the biggest project, getting those all up. And then at least for me, they're up, and all I have to do is put pictures in them. So, yeah, that's kind of what's going on right now. So I'm going to do a quick tidy up, and yeah, it's going to be like an all-day clean, guys. That's what's happening here. Alrighty, so at that point the house was basically clean. There was nothing to do. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this all day clean with me, between me and my husband. And I'm kind of glad that's all the footage he got, so it doesn't spoil our hallway reveal when we upload that. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another brand new video. Bye guys.